Hey, hey, hey! How are you guys today? It is another day, another math assignment, and we're gonna roll here with percentages assignment 7. This is a review assignment, and we're gonna get ready to do our test soon, hopefully. But let's math it up. All right, so jump right into it here. Percentages assignment 7. Done a lot of these. We should be getting pretty good. So we're getting us a new skill, or a skill that it's not new, it's one we did already. Changing a decimal or a fraction into a percentage. So with something like 0.9, we can already think of it as this is 9/10. 9/10, we can simply multiply this by 100, and this is going to give us 90%. Right, we just move our decimal over 2 places. Or we can also think of it as writing that decimal as a fraction, then multiplying it by 100. 3/5. We can multiply this by 20 and this by 20. This is going to give us an equivalent fraction that is equal to 60 100ths. 60 divided by 100, which when you multiply by 100, it's going to equal our 60%. Right? It turns into a whole number, 60%. 0.076. Now don't get confused with this one. We want to again multiply by 100 here. We're going to move our decimal place over 2. This is going to be equal to 7.6%. Right, 2 decimal places. 1/10. We can think of this one as times 10 times 10. This is creating, again, an equivalent fraction of 10 over 100, which is exactly what percent is. That's going to be equal to 10%. 10 over 100 is 10%. 1.44. Now multiply this by 100 again. Move our decimal place over. This is going to be equal to 144%. Question 1F, 3 over 21. Now, 3 over 21 is kind of the first one we need to do some math with. So we'll go to 3 divided by 21 is equal to 0.142. 0.142. We can then multiply that by 100, and that's going to equal 14.2%. If you rounded that off to 14%, that might be okay, depending on what your teacher wants you to do. Or 14.3% potentially even, because you can round that up there. Okay. Let's look at question 2A. There's lots of questions on here today. Question 2A. 7 is what percent of 28? 7, 28. Now this one actually is, you can divide both of these numbers by 7, and that's going to equal 1/4. 1/4 is going to be equal to 1/4. 1/4 is 25%. Like, that's just some logic right there. You can just show your work getting there in that route, but you can also just divide 7 by 28, which gives you a decimal, 0.25 multiplied by 100. Yeah, you get it. Let's look at the next one. I'm not going to have a good strategy for this one. What percent of 69 is 29? So of 69 is telling us that 69 is our bottom number. Is 29 tells us that that's our top number. I'm going to have to divide this one. 29 divided by 69 is equal to 4202. So 4202 is, I'm just going to write my actual decimal number, 0.42. Now, we can write that as over 100, and we can multiply by 100, and that's going to give us our percentage point of 42%. If you choose to just not do this and just take it right to percent, that's okay. I'm not against that. 42%. Let's look at C. 2C is 107. What? 107.2 is what percent of 148.8? 107.2 over 148.8. Oh my goodness. 107.2 divided by 148.8 equals 72.04. It's going to be equal to 0.72%. Rounded to the nearest hundredth approximately. Write that. That can be over 100, which is going to again be equal to, when you multiply that by 100, and cancel those out, and it's going to be equal to 72%. 72%. Now, what percent of 182 is 71? That language is so important. Writing the numbers in the right order is super important. 182, 71. Let's do our multiplication. 71 divided by 182 is equal to 39.01. 0.39. 39 out of 100. That's going to be equal to 39%. All right. Next, large numbers. What percent of 673 is 471? 673, 471. Some bigger numbers here. Let's make our decimal. 673 over 471. 471 divided by 673 is equal to 69.98%. 0.70%, I'm going to say, because we're rounding up just slightly. And this is 70 written as a fraction like that. We can get rid of our decimal part of it. It's going to be equal to 70%. Changing that decimal to a percentage. Moving that decimal place over twice. Okay. F. Wow. Okay. 594.7 is what percent of 734? Whew, some large numbers there. 594.7. What's the other numbers? 734. 594.7, 734. Divided by 734 is equal to 81 equal to 0.81 100. Right, we don't need that anymore. And we can multiply that by 100, and it's going to get rid of our hundreds. I don't like that. Multiply that 81 over 100, which is equal to 81%. 81 out of 100. Find the whole. All right, so 4 is 21% of what? We are going to need to use what is our formula? It is to find the whole, you divide the part by the percent. So it will be part, which is 4, divided by 0.21, which is the decimal form of percent. And that's going to be equal to 4 divided by 0.21 equals 19.04. We can round that to 19. Our whole is 19. 4 is 21% of 19. 3b. 9 is 12% of what? So 9 times, 9 divided by 0.12 equals 9 divided by 0.12 equals 75. Right on the nose. 75. 3c. 47% of what is 26.3? So we'll go 26.3 divided by 0.47, right? 47 divided by 100, turn it into a decimal. What does that equal? 26.3 divided by 47. 26.3 divided by 0.47. 21.2%. Not 21.2%. Wait a second. 26.3 divided by 0.47. 26.3 divided by 0.47. 26.3 divided by 26.3 divided by 0.47 equals 55.96. 55.96. Oh my goodness. Took a long time. 5% of what is 43? 43 divided by 0.05 is equal to 53 divided by 0.05 equals 1060. 1060. 100%. Ooh, interesting. 121 divided by 1.1 is equal to. I'm thinking that's going to be 110. Oh, excuse me. 121 divided by 1.1 equals 110. I was right. 110. 3 F 106 divided by 0.8. 106 divided by 0.8 equals 132.5 equals 132.5. All right, let's look at number 4. We're looking for the part. So we have the percent and we have the whole, but what's the part? We're going to multiply the whole by the percentage. By the percentage. Okay, so it's going to be 20 times 0.45. I'll write that 0 times 0.45. 20 times 0.45 equals 9. 9 is 45% of 20. I feel like I could have figured that out without the calculator. 12 multiplied by 0.42 is equal to 42% of 12. 12 times 0.42, 504. So some of you might round that up, round that down to just 5. Let's leave it 504. It's a little bit more correct. C, 4C, 130% of 10, that's going to be 13. It's got to be 13. So 10 times 1.3, which is 130 in decimal form. It's just going to be 113, or I mean 13. Just like 10 times 30, 13 is, yeah. All right. D, that was easy. No calculator necessary. 82, 11. Let's put it here. 11 times 0.82. That's going to be 902. 902, 9.2. 9.02. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. Equal to 2, 9.02, 11 times 0.82, 11 times 0.82, 11 multiplied by decimal point 82 equals 9.02. All right, that was correct. Again, amazing. Oh my gosh. 130 multiplied by 3.9. 130 multiplied by 130 times 3.9. 130 multiplied by 3.9, 507. All right, finding the part. Last one, F. We're going to multiply the whole 173 by the percentage in decimal form, 26. That's going to be equal to, I didn't even look at the numbers. 173.26. 173 times 0.26. 44.98. 44.98. Now this is probably going to be rounded up to 45, which is fair because it is incredibly close. Okay. Find the change. We need to find the difference, and then we need to sidekick. First, we need to find the difference, and then we need to divide the difference by the starting point. So we're going to go 26 minus 20. Difference is 6. 6 divided by 20 is equal to 0.3, and that that is going to be 30%. 30%. B. Excuse me. All right, so this one's going to be 91 minus 82, which is going to be 9. And 9 over 82. It's going to be a number I don't know. 9 divided by 82 is equal to 1.1. Say 0.11, which is going to be equal to 11/100th, which is 11%. All right. So we have 85. Oh, wait a second. 20 to 20. This is important. Increase. Increase again. Did I spell that other one right? Increase. Now, this one's going to be 85 minus 65. And that's going to be 20 difference. Minus 60. No, yeah, 68. 85 minus 68, which is like 25 minus 8, which is 17. 17 over 68 is equal to 17 divided by 68 is equal to 25. 0.25, which we can change into a fraction over 100, which we can then say is equivalent to 25%. 26 to 52. Oh, 25% increase. Next one, 26 to 52. So we'll go 52 minus 26 to find the difference. That's half right there. It's 26. And then we have 26 divided by 26, which is going to be equal to 1, which 1 is 100%. 100% increase. 100% increase, yeah, because it went up. 100% increase. 63 to 34. We're going to find the difference in the same way. We need to be careful at the end because it's a decrease. Decrease. So we go. So it's 33. Difference of 30. 29 difference. 29 29 over 63 is equal to 29 divided by 63 equals 46. 0.46. 46 over 100 is the same as 46%. Get rid of our 0 and our 1. E from 50 to 98. Okay, 98 minus 50, 48, 48 divided by 50, 50 is equal to 96%, 96 over 100, which is 96%, 96%. Woo! All right. I'm going to write that better. How about that? 96%. Is that better? Okay. On to the last question set. We're getting discount, markup, and tax. These are a bit more difficult. Okay, so we need to get the starting price. 72.5. Let's say multiplied, find our part, 70.5 times 0.3. 72.5 multiplied by 0.3 equals 21.75. 21.75. That is our discount. And then we'll go 72.50 minus 21.75, and our final price of our radio is going to be 72, 52, 51, 50, 75. Right, so that's take away 20 is 50, take away 1 is 51, 52, 51, and then take away 75 from 50. Leaves a quarter below 50, 75. Okay. Oil change. All right, so it's an interesting one because it's 10%. So let's multiply this by the 10%, which is going to be times 0.01. This is going to be equal to, moving the decimal point over, 10% of 1450 is going to be 1, 4, and 5. 145, and then we can select 145, right, our discount minus a discount of 1.45. Our final price is going to be $13.05 after our discount. Markup 25%. So let's calculate the 25% times 25 is equal to 56.99. 56.99 times 0.25 equals 1425. 1425 is going to be our markup. So then we'll go 56.99 plus 14.25. So let's do this. That's 66.99, 70.99, 71.24. 71.24. 56 plus 14 is 70.29 cents. It's $1.24. All right. 70.24 after the markup for that shirt. That's 71.24. That's a lot. It's too much. Let's times by 0.55 to get our amount. We're going to mark it up. $11.50, 55%. 11.50 times 633. $6. That's not right. Yeah, that's right. 633. 633. Now, 1150 plus 633 is going to be 1783. Final price. That tie is 1783 after my 55% markup. Wow. Okay, comic book. That's one cheap comic book. We're going to calculate our tax. We're going to go multiplied by 0.05. 10% markup would be 25 cents. It's going to be 12.5 cents. 0. What? Yeah. 0.125, which would be approximately 13 cents. So add that tax onto there. 250 plus 0.13. Our total cost is going to be $2.63 after tax. Make sure we write that money sound in there. And the last one, $2.75 and 4% tax. Okay. Another comic book, a little bit more expensive. 275 times 0.404. Let's do it on the calculator this time. 2.75 times 0.04 equals 11 cents. 0.11. 275 plus 0.11 is equal to $2.86 for that comic book. That's it. That's all of them. That's all she wrote. We're done. Cool. We did it. Wasn't so bad. 30 minutes. Take it easy. Peace out.